For someone who has never met you, what do you cook and what do you care most about?
Yeah, so local chef here in South Carolina. I cook a bunch of farm-to-table type meals, partner with a bunch of local farms, also have the food truck business. Born and raised here in Clover, actually grew up in the field right behind us. My parents live right here, so it's really cool to get to partner with Five Blossoms and be a part of that. Just someone's following their passion. I love what I do. I cook all kinds of different stuff. I don't really stick to one cuisine. I like to challenge myself and do different genres of food and just kind of see what local farms can give us to do that.
Come to the farm for one of these dinners where you and your team are cooking. What's something that you want them to kind of take away from the experience?
The word that you just said, I want it to be more of an experience for them, not just a dinner that they come to. Walk away with a little bit of knowledge of anything, whether it be how the honey is harvested or however something pairs with, a different wine. But also not just what I say, but, it's a difference when they say they're always going to remember not necessarily what you say, but how you make them feel. And that's one thing that we always try and strive to do here is make people feel seen. Obviously have a good time, eat good food, and for it to be a whole experience in a beautiful place, and make good connections, and hopefully grow relationships.
What do you hope that people kind of take away when they leave after they've come here for like vacation or for an event and get to experience the food scene that we have here in York County?
I hope they get kind of what we were talking about, what we try and create here is I hope they get the feeling of how much goes in to what we do, day in and day out. Like, I hope they come here and not just taste food from a restaurant, but remember how it made them feel. And I hope that they truly take the story behind the dish or, the story behind produce that they got, because a lot of the local farmers around here, they try and show their face and they try and make those connections. And I think personally that makes an impact on people is when they can see the hands that actually are the ones, growing it is impactful. And I hope that people that do come to York County see that and see that this isn't just an operation, it's friendships, it's relationships, it's dedication, and it's passion at the end of the day.
Awesome. All right, you all ready to head to Jax's place?
Yep.